Students, in this question of Jackson quotient and Jackson ratios is that prove that the straight lines whose Jackson quotients are given by the relation AL plus BM plus CN equals to 0 and FMN plus GNL plus HLM equals to 0 are perpendicular if F upon A plus G upon B plus H upon C equals to 0 and parallel if root AF plus minus root BG plus minus root CH equals to 0. Solution. Relations. First, AL plus BM CN equals to 0. First. Second relation, FMN plus GNL HLM equals to 0. That is equation 2. Eliminating N from relation 2 using 1, N equals to minus AL plus BM upon C putting the value of N in relation to FM GL minus AL plus BM upon C HLM equals to 0, multiplying AF LM plus BF M square plus GA L square plus BG LM minus CH LM equals to 0 or AG L square plus AF plus BG minus CH into LM plus FB M square equals to 0 dividing by M square, or we may write as AG L square upon M square AF BG minus CH L upon M plus BF equals to 0. That is equation number 3. Eliminating N from relation 2 using 1, we get the equation 3, that is quadratic equation whose roots are L upon M. Good quadratic equation roots are L1 upon M1 and L2 upon M2. Product of roots L1 L2 upon M1 M2 C upon A BF upon AG or L1 L2 upon BF M1 M2 upon AG, or we can write L1 L2 upon F by A M1 M2 upon G by B equals to N1 N2 upon H by C by symmetry. Lines are perpendicular. If L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equals to 0, or putting these ratios F upon A, G upon B, H upon C equals to 0. Next point, lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Then b square equals to 4ac. Equation from 3 B AF plus BG minus CH whole square equals to 4 AG BF AF plus BG minus CH equals to plus minus 2 root AB FG और AF plus BG plus minus 2 root AB FG equals to CH, or we can write AF plus minus root BG whole square equals to CH, or root AF plus minus root BG plus minus root CH, or root AF plus minus root BG plus minus root CH equals to 0. That's all. That is the solution of this question. In this question of Dirac and cosines topic, the question is that the statement find the angle between two diagonals of a cube. Let us suppose A is the length of the side. Let solution. Let AB length of a side of cube. That is cube. Cube whose side is or length is A. The coordinate and point A, B, C lies on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and coordinates, other coordinates are coordinate of A0, 0, A, O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Coordinates of B 0, A0, 0 0 a and coordinates of a dash 0 a coordinate of b dash a 0 a coordinate of c dash a 0. Suppose there are 4 diagonals of a cube O dash, A dash, BB dash, CC dash. We use only 2 diagonals taken O dash and A dash. Suppose O dash and A dash are 2 diagonals. Are taken 2 diagonals. You can use anybody 2 diagonal of the cube. It is not necessary to take O dash and A dash. Reduction ratio ratios of O dash equals to A minus 0, A minus 0, A minus 0 equals to A and A. Magnitude root A square plus A square plus A square equals to root 3A square equals to A root 3. Reduction cosines of diagonal O dash equals to A upon root 3 A upon plus minus A root 3 A upon plus minus A root 3 equals to 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3. Reduction ratio of diagonal A dash minus A. And O dash. A dash minus A, 0 minus A minus 0, A minus 0 equals to minus A, R equals to root A square plus A square root 3A square और plus minus A root 3. Reduction cosines of diagonal A dash minus A upon A root 3 A upon A root 3 A upon A root 3 equals to minus 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3. Angle between diagonal A dash and O dash angle between diagonals O dash and A dash whose reduction cosines are 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3 and minus 1 upon root 3 1 upon root 3 1/√3 theta cos theta equals to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, that is L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2. Cos theta equals to L1 L2 M1 M2 1/√3 1/√3 1/√3 minus 1/3 1/3 1/3 cos theta equals to 1/3 or theta equals to cos inverse 1/3. That is the angle between diagonal O dash and A dash. That's all.